It's our last day of work before the bench is revealed in the grand opening ceremony for the new Loadmaster training facility. All we have left to do, install our surprise addition.
Put that tape back up there, Cap. Then we're gonna walk and talk over to the bench.
Watch me shoot this off his head. Ready? Hold still.
Are we shooting?
Did you see that, Clark?
That was incredible. And not only that, my camera work got it all.
Your camera what?
Camera work got it all.
My camera work and expert flying skills.
So what happened last night and what are we going to check out right now? This is the last day.
What happened last night? Okay, Clark, let's just get it out there, right? There's 9 of us here on this trip. There's 5 guys on the crew, my parents, Rachel and Sprout. And what Clark, our fearless cameraman, wants you to know is last night we flew the simulators, like the actual C-130 simulator. And when asked at the end of it, the instructor was asked who was the best pilot. Who did he say was the best pilot, Clark?
He said who had the most raw natural ability.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Who had the most raw natural ability was Clark.
Yep.
Who he said he would not trust to fly with was Dustin. So, Clark is not only our director of photography, he is has the most raw natural talent as a pilot. Congratulations, buddy.
Thanks. Now what are we doing here?
Okay. We've got the last piece of our puzzle here, so this was a little bit of a surprise. So my buddy Will, who you saw running around while we were building this, Will and I were stationed together a long time ago when we were babies. And he's a big fan of the show. We sort of reconnected after the show, and after the show came out. And he said, hey, we're doing this really cool new training facility. It'd be really neat to have something from you guys down here for us. And this is where we came up with the idea for the bench. But what I'd asked for originally, we got some sort of extra parts we bought from different places all over. And I said, hey, I need to find a C-130 propeller. And he says, you're never gonna find it. They don't have them. They're 1-for-1 trade out. If one goes bad, you send it in, they send you a replacement. And I said, well, I know a guy. I know a guy that can get me almost any airplane part I need. My man Ozzy. So I called Ozzy and I located a C-130 prop blade out of Miami, Florida. And so it's gonna be on the end of the bench next to the boulder. And it's a little bit of a surprise for him because he told me I couldn't get one. And I'm a little bit of a hold my beer kind of guy. So we found one, and there's a lieutenant on base that's helping us out, put a graphic on it for the squadron. And that's the last thing we got today. And then everyone's gonna go get rested up, and I'm gonna get a haircut and try to clean up all this. And tomorrow morning is the ceremony of the dedication of the building. So it's gonna be fun. Hi.
Do you need help carrying something?
No.
Absolutely. Do you want me to leave?
Guess what I found that you told me I couldn't have?
What?
What do you think's wrapped in that tarp? What's that the shape of?
Did you have your own base?
No. It came out of Miami, Florida, somewhere.
Nice.
And yeah.
Oh yeah, that thing can't be used anymore.
All right. So I said earlier, this is Will. I said, Will, I really, really want a propeller blade for this. He says, no. 1-for-1 trade out, Lockheed Martin. One gets damaged, you send it in, they send you a new one. It's not gonna happen. Well, I know a guy, and I made a phone call, and this came off of an old H model out of Florida. And yeah, had it shipped to Arkansas, then shipped to South Dakota, and then brought back to Arkansas.
What are you doing, bro?
We're just gonna lift this thing up.
Why don't you just stick that on your shoulder and pick it up and carry it?
We're gonna. You mean stick the whole thing on my shoulder?
Well, one guy
Bro, I put this in the back of the truck by myself the night it got shipped in. That was dumb. All right, we're gonna bring her forward. So if you guys wanna either carry the tail or do you wanna sling the tail? All right, ready? Here, you take a step to the left. Yeah. bad, but it's heavier than the guy thinks it should be. Okay, we're gonna take our end down. Just like so many other parts of this project, we only had the one chance to set this blade in place. Dustin, swinger on that side. Okay, you're gonna guide it.
Okay.
Dustin and I are gonna lift it.
Ready?
1, 2.
Okay, what do you want this to look like?
Okay, turn it like this, I think.
You better go look at this before we get set. Yeah, you go look.
It's perfect.
Freaking perfect.
There we go. Now it's a Loadmaster bench.
Wonderful. Good job, buddy.
Thanks, dude. You guys are awesome. It looks amazing. Thank you. And Will had one last request for the team, something we don't normally do. Ruby, you're signing it.
Because you're cool. I am cool. I'm cool like that.
Dustin, you can see your shims. I'm gonna paint them real quick.
Hey, fellas.
You're my buddy.
Hey, fellas.
Hey, buddy.
Hey. Thank you.
Thank you.
This has been awesome.
It has been fun.
I got 2 seconds.
Except you, Tanner.
Yeah.
Gotta put a date on it.
Okay.
You ready?
Well,
That was the most unacrobatic exit ever.
It hurt my chest.
It hurt your chest.